Welcome to Urban Explorer Adventure Show.
Did you put that to your lips?
No.
Hello guys, welcome. My dear folks, my dear... I'm just waiting for Lloydie to pull his tampon out. Al's somewhere crying in a ditch and things aren't looking too good. Things aren't looking well at all actually. I think we're gonna just call it a day with channel because my morale's low and I'm finding it really hard keeping it together. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're here on a sacred path carved out by the God that we all love and worship himself. There's only one God, Lloydie.
That was a really good idea. Ah, you cocksucker.
Another mission.
Ooh.
Oh,
It's like a deliverance shack.
oh, sick. We're here. Jesus, there's dog shit everywhere. Pottery place. Don't think we've done a pottery place yet, but we're doing a pottery place right now.
Watch that shit. There's turds everywhere. Watch where you're stepping. Oh god, look at that light. That little thing with tits.
Is that what you call all women? Things. Oh, like you.
Nipples.
There's loads of pots and stuff.
I know, it's an old pottery place.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Don't know about you, but I'm busting for a piss.
Yeah, I'm busting for a wee. I'll come with you, Norton. Team piss.
Team piss. Cut to commercial. Cut to commercial.
More doctors smoke Camels than any other cigarette.
Do you like the woman's new hat?
Oh, that's so nice.
That's very pretty.
I thought she'd be a bit self-conscious about not having a head, so...
This is some really old shit. That don't work anymore.
These must be worth something to the right person. Look at them.
Oh yeah.
Why did
They
it's
mould.
It's
Yeah.
an ashtray.
It's not. It's actually an ashtray. It's actually shit.
There's such old stuff. Why do I keep falling over?
Because you're a douche. Nice oven. Oven.
That's made out of pots as well.
What? That?
Everything's made out of pot.
This is the actual whole place. It's made out of pot.
You're a potted.
Well, this place is fucking brilliant, mate.
There's more than one building.
No, this is it. I'll fucking clobber you. Look at all the casts. Many casts for many things. Are we delving deeper into the darkness? Deeper and deeper. How many more buildings is there?
4.
So there's 2. If you're watching this, can we?
What's we stepping on?
I'm watching. Can we please set up a Kickstarter for Chris Stacey? Just get him a few quid.
For fuel.
Fuel on it, yeah.
Can we get through this little hatch? Oh my god, there's a tree. This must have been abandoned for years. There's a tree growing inside.
We go left and they go right.
Oh wow,
No,
it's
when
like
they
a
say yes.
it's like a fucking ah you c.
What have you found already? Like a brick mill.
I think it is. I think it is a brick mill.
They made bricks out of old bricks. They made bricks out of even older bricks.
Wow, look at this thing.
Where is this, Lloydie? Where are we?
I don't know.
You know exactly where we are. Where are we?
I don't know.
I forgot the name of it. Garforth.
No, Garforth.
Garforth's a place. Yeah, we're in a place. Gavelton. We're in Gavelton, folks.
Are you two going that way?
Which way are you going?
This way?
Right, we'll go this way.
Oh man, look at this old briefcase.
Why do you mind your own business? shitty stuff to look at.
For the briefcase. It's well old.
Briefcase one.
Show us some brief.
Oh, look at this stuff.
I need to put. Oh, is this a house or?
House?
Looks like a house.
Does it look like a... Oh my god, it does.
Is this Sacred Heaven?
I've got cobwebs on me.
What have we got here, lads?
This is a strange place.
So that's been here.
Look at this.
Wow.
This... Norton, this table would be perfect for the podcast.
That's in.
It actually
That's in another.
It folds down, look.
It's in German.
The ends fold down.
Yeah, it's folded down.
Is that in German?
Yeah.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
What's it say?
It says
Oh shit.
something about how Hitler is the one true God.
You know, the Germans just can't let off about Hitler, do they?
No, it says something about Hitler being actually the second coming of Jesus and we fucked up.
He went down the wrong path.
Jesus. Jesus Christ. Oh my god.
What? What?
Oh my
There's
god.
not up there, is there?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Voidy. Voidy. Voidy.
You can always tell when there's not like nothing interesting. Not and just keeps going. Oh my
I
god.
just did this.
Oh my god.
Voidy.
What?
You're a sick man.
That looks like me.
That's Ian Gavelton.
Is that Ian Gavelton?
Voidy,
Oh,
can I
no.
get off these ladders? I'm shaking.
I'm not stopping you from getting up the ladders.
You are, you fucking.
You know what I just did?
You're like an old
I went to
man.
climb up this ladder and went like that and put my foot.
Can we move along?
Can we look at this dog without a head?
Oh wow, this place is actually a lot better than I thought it would be.
Can you please send us a letter saying, Mark Lloyd, please grow your hair to our PO box? It'll be on the screen somewhere, thank you.
Oh, we should get someone to send him a wig.
Oh god, send Lloydie wigs in the box, in the PO box, please. Hashtag Mark. Hashtag Mark will have hair.
Oh, there's always one, isn't there?
Hashtag Mark will have hair.
Where the fuck are we?
The fuck's this?
Oh, it's an old fucking dream catcher.
Look at that trainer.
We found Alex.
That trainer.
Oh wow, this place is fucking crazy.
Look at that trainer.
What trainer? Oh yeah, it's well old.
It's made by Nix, not Nike.
Oh my god, Al.
Yes.
Look how old this hairdryer is.
It's not a hairdryer, that's a turbo for the
It's a
9.4.
turbo, you silly sausage. That is a really old hairdryer. You seen the
Oh
Jimmy
my
Savile?
god. You know what that is, don't you?
What?
You know exactly what it is, don't you?
What?
You know what it is.
I don't.
You fucking do.
Is it 1,000-year-old slate?
It's a sex meter 300.
Sex meter?
Yeah.
Is that like...
No, like when back in the day, you have a sex meter in your house, and it taxes you on how much sex you have in your house. It measures.
Oh, you mean like
It's-
not like a measurement, like a...
It's an orgasm meter.
Does it measure the moaning?
Some guy comes around and
Yeah,
charges you.
you have to pay more if you
If you're a moaner.
sex.
Them shoes are actually newer than the ones that Kurt owns.
They are actually the ones that Kurt owns.
They aren't. They're actually quite trendy compared to the ones that Kurt owns. It's actually been the longest day ever. Oh my god, it's a commode.
Why is there so much pottery everywhere?
It's a pottery place.
There's smoking pot round it. There you go. What if you can't tins of gas for that?
I said, guess what's around here?
What?
Pottery? Guys.
Guys.
Al, are you gonna move?
Yeah.
You're in my way. Oh, fucking hell.
Your brew?
No, and this is like Uncharted, this.
Guys.
I know I say that all the
Whoa.
time. Whoa, there's like butterflies and stuff in here. It's like tropical world in Leeds.
Look. Being attacked by a rare Amazonian tree beetle.
That's no.
What is it?
That's an African tiger spider.
There it is.
Fuck.
Sorry, here first. What are we naming it?
Peter.
We'll call it Tyrone. See you in hell, Tyrone. You'll find a better place somewhere else. I'm sure it'll be fine.
Alex, on your face.
I wonder what they've put
They
in
used to grow pot here.
I've got a kilt. Yeah, it's there.
It went crazy. It took over. Say that again.
There's a bong.
What?
Go get
It
some
says
weed.
sterilised
That's
with
not
bong water.
that's not a bong. That's something that you piss in.
No, it's not.
Is
it
it
is.
shiwi?
Yeah, basically, yeah.
It's not. It's actually a piss
It's a
pot.
bedpan. Someone pissed in that. You just picked it up.
Should see what I get up to at home.
Why? What do you get up to at home
Piss in these pots.
and do what with them?
Pour them over my head.
How do you think he keeps his hair so
So wash
smelly?
my hair.
Smelling so
Oh, look at that
rancid?
chalice.
It's the Holy Grail.
Oh my god! It is the Holy Grail.
Boy, that's it. Found Holy Grail.
Found Holy Grail in abandoned pot factory.
Potter's house.
But I'm definitely putting the fucking title as this as abandoned pot factory.
Getting into this place with pure pot luck.
That's the Holy Grail.
Whoa. It's broken.
Oh my god, God is dead. We can just smoke some fine green.
Put it in there. 420 blaze it.
Hashtag 80 wood.
What is this? Is this
pottery?
is this a perfect brick?
You're a perfect brick.
This is a perfect brick.
Have we just found the world's most perfect brick?
That is the world's most perfect brick. Look at it.
Why did-
ancient
I found an
artifacts we've not
imperfection.
discovered.
Oh fuck.
Oh, this tree's attacking you. Watch out, watch out. The tree's alive. The tree's alive.
The tree's lava. I mean,
Pot.
used for.
What's this made out of?
Fucking Jesus.
That is actually a really cool sink. If I had a kitchen, I would like to put something like that in it. If you want to send me a sink, you know the address by now. It's somethingorother.com.
Oh, that's a cool fucking cup.
That's what I fucking held that up earlier and asked you if you wanted a brew.
Did you? I won't listen.
I don't fucking listen to you in future. I wanna go.
Oh my god. It's a sacred transportation device used by the Romans to travel the lands in search of the Celts.
Well, do you remember the time out there earlier?
I've actually figured something out.
What's that?
Right. You see these little pots here?
Yeah.
I think he's made these to collect rabbit shit. He would make the pots. He would look for the rabbit shit.
Trading for the trading
Put it in them
rabbits to shit in the pot. Or
Put
is
it in them.
collecting the pot.
He just likes shit, alright. The guy still lives in this. It's not even abandoned.
So are we done or is there more?
I think that's it.
Yeah.
There are more little
There's that
brother.
room with all the big like ovens and shit in. If you want to go look in.
Oh yeah. I don't know. Oh, we haven't been in here.
What we found already, what we got.
So much stuff.
What is it with just one shoe?
No, and find out when the date was on that newspaper.
You find out?
1991.
That's exactly.
That is my birthday.
Do you like my hat?
I can't see it from the front. So what? Furnace? This was the fiery furnace.
Right.
Oh wow. It's like a big coffin inside.
A big coffee.
In the great words of IKS, fuck the viewers. This is my show. What a great day for science. What a great day for mankind. We came, we saw, we conquered. If you want some quality merchandise and you want to support the greatest YouTube channel ever created by mankind,
Head over to loganpaul.com.
and if you want some shit stuff, go over to upthehood.com/shop and represent. Ow, you bastard! I just asked Mark if he's got anything else to add. Anything else to add? Have you got anything else to add?
Have you done all the like followers on
No.
like Instagram and what's the other one, Facebook?
Follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
Have you done the shop?
Do
buy,
the shop.
buy that merch.
Buy that merch. We've done that yet. Upthehood.com.
Just give us. If you don't want any merch, just give us money instead.
Yeah,
PayPal.me/upthehook.
Have you told them about our Patreon?
No, we don't. We don't have a Patreon because we're not dickheads.
We've actually got a Patreon. It'll be on the screen. We've got Twitch, and we've got
Twitch.
a podcast coming
We've
soon.
got Twitch, but we've never used it and we never will.
A proper one.
Do you know what?
With
do you
guns.
Do you know the downside of shaving your balls?
No, none.
There is.
No.
None.
In hot weather, they just stick to your leg.
Absolutely not.
No.
On that bombshell, thanks for watching. If you're brand new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And for some reason, we've heard from a few different YouTubers that YouTube, you know, for some reason it's just never not fucking right. So just make sure you subscribed if you want to be subscribed. Just double check, hit that bell, blah blah blah. If not, see you all in the next one. If not, I'll see you never again. Goodbye.